Hello everyone, myself Vani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the DOTS and category for the TB, type of patient, regimen, duration in month. Category 1, that is the color of the box will be the red. In new sputum positive, seriously the third sputum negative, and seriously there are the ill extrapulmonary regimen, that is the intensive for the 2 hours free continuous 4 hours. There are the category second. The color of the box will be the blue. Sputum positive, relapsive, sputum positive, failure, sputum positive treatment after default. Intensive, that is for the 2 hours, and 1 hour 3 times, continue for the 5 hours 3 times, and duration of the month is the 6 and 8. 6 for the category 1 and 8 for the category 2. Next is the drug resistance surveillance DRS, a new protocol for statewide DRS under RNTCP has been developed in 2005. Over the next 5 years, RNTCP plans to systematically carry out the statewide DRS surveys in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, and the West Bengal. There are the DRS activity. DOT Plus. DOTS Plus, conceived by the WHO and the several of its partners, is a strategy currently under development for the management of multi-drug resistance TB. Recognizing that the treatment of MDR TB cases is very complex, treatment is to follow the internationally recommended DOTS Plus guidelines and will be done in designated RNTCP DOT Plus site. In today's class, we discuss about the category for the patient, the regimen, and the duration in the months, and also about there are drug resistance surveillance DRS. In our chapter, we also discuss about the diagnosis protocol for the TB, sputum examination, laboratory network, revised strategy, and program achievements. Also, the National TB Control Program did not yield the good result. Case detection and case holding result was low 25%, drug supply not regular, responses from the patient was poor. Case finding, DTC, treatment, BCG vaccination and health education, and the district tuberculosis program, that is the NTP, operate through the district tuberculosis program DTP, which is the backbone of NTP. Over 600 TB clinic has been set up in the country, association with general health and medical institutions. Monthly once patient receive the drug through dispensary. Short-term objective, that is to reduce TB in the community. Long-term objectives, there are the to detect the maximum number of TB cases, to vaccinate newborn and infant with BCG. The National TB Control Program. Red dot is the current project, blue for the completed project, and pink for the composed project TB Alert India Office. Today class I discuss about the program, district program, and the case finding program achievements. Thank you for watching.